Hey, welcome back to Just a Pinch with me, Simon, an enthusiastic home cook. I post videos every week, and today we're making crispy smash burgers. I promise you, when you learn the technique on how to make smash burgers, you're never going to want to ever go back to eating the burgers that you're used to. They're crispy, crunchy, full of deep beef umami flavors. Honestly, these are the best burgers you'll ever have. Are you ready? Let's go. As always, the recipe is linked down in the description below. And hey, whilst you're down there, why not give it a like? This recipe goes really quickly. When we add the beef to the pan, it'll be done in about 2 minutes. So it's best to prepare everything ahead of time. So let's start off with our special burger sauce. Combine 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, and then we're gonna add some pickle juice. Oh, this hasn't worked. Oh, all right, hold on. Right, scratch that. Let's pretend I didn't do that. Let's try it again. Mayonnaise, tomato sauce, mustard, and a little bit of the pickle juice. That's gonna give the sauce a nice vinegary kick. Next, thinly slice half an onion and thinly slice some pickles. Now these are the only toppings that we're going to put on our smash burger. This is one of those recipes where it's more about the technique than the actual ingredients themselves. Best to keep it really simple. Hero those burger patties. Lightly butter your pan and toast your buns. When they are ready, remove them and set aside. Preheat your pan for at least 5 minutes. You want this thing ripping hot so that when you add your beef, it is scorching straight away. Now, when it comes to ground beef, it doesn't really matter what cut you're using, as long as the meat has a 20% content of fat. The fat is going to keep the beef nice and moist and add extra flavor. If you use mince that's got a fat content less than 20%, your burger's gonna dry out, super flavorless. You might as well just put a leather wallet on a bun and eat that, because it's the same thing. I need to get that shot of me putting a leather wallet on a bun. Loosely form your beef into 60-gram balls. We're gonna make a double burger patty here. So that's double the flavor and double the trouble. Oh dear, don't do the jokes. They don't work. People click off your videos when you do these silly jokes. Don't squeeze your balls too Don't squeeze your balls too tight. You want them to be quite loose. That's what's going to form the crispy, craggly bits on the end. Here's where the technique part comes in. Add your beef ball into your pan using a flat metal spatula and the back of a wooden spoon. Press down hard. Move your spatula around and press and shape it into a beef patty. We're trying to get it as flat and thin and spread out as much as possible. That's going to give us lots of surface area to brown. And browning is where all of that flavor is. Now if you can, don't use a slotted metal spatula as I'm doing here, because some of the beef sort of spouts through the sides there. If you've got just a normal straight one, you should probably use one of those, but hey ho, I don't get paid for this. This is all my own money. That browning is the Maillard reaction. That's food science. Now, if you want to go a little bit more in depth about the browning and the Maillard reaction, I'll pop a video up just over here where I make a beef bolognese recipe, and there I really go into detail on the importance of browning your meat. So go and check that out. But in the meantime, let's get back to our burger patty. Season well with salt and pepper. You'll only need to cook your patty on this side for about 60 seconds. So when you reckon it's ready, get your flat spatula and get underneath the patty and flip them over. Wow, look at that browning. That is a massive flavor bomb right there. Get your slices of cheese and put those on top of your patties. Cover your pan with a lid and let that steam melt the cheese. They'll only need another 45 to 60 seconds on this side. That's a total cook time of less than 3 minutes. It's really quick and easy to make this. Now let's plate up. So spoon on your special burger sauce onto the bottom bun. Top it with your pickles and your onions and of course your beef burger patties. Coming up next, we're about to do a taste test of this burger. Is it crispy, crunchy? How deep and intense is that beef flavor gonna be? But first, if you like this video, give it a like down below. And of course, subscribe. We're trying to reach our goal of 200 subscribers before summer starts. We're almost there. Every bit from you helps. So thank you. You ready? Let's taste. Look at that caramelization right there. That is just a flavor bomb. So excited.
Like a shot like that where you can see and come close. Not that, yeah.
Check all the sauce.
I don't care. Sorry.
It's how you're supposed to eat a burger.
Stop recording.